Your exam is around the corner. You've been studying hard, and now you need a way to test your knowledge before the exam. Well, don't worry. We got you covered. Right now, we're going to take a mini 25-question practice exam to test your study skills. So let's get started. Good luck. Which of the following is exempt from real estate licensing? A, an owner offering a rental property for lease. B, a consultant offering CMAs to taxpayers for a fee. C, an apartment leasing agent. Or D, a timeshare salesperson. The correct answer is A, an owner offering a rental property for lease. A landlord may rent, lease, or sell their own property without a real estate license. Licensees may perform real estate activities for compensation under what circumstances? A, once they register the business name. B, when required to do so by a client. C, when they have at least 2 years experience. Or D, while associated with a principal broker. The correct answer is D, while associated with a principal broker. A licensee must be associated with a principal broker to perform real estate activities. Which of the following are among the requirements to become a principal broker? A, be a full-time broker for 3 years and submit a principal broker's written recommendation and proof of transaction logs. B, be a full-time broker for 3 years and submit proof of transaction logs. C, be a full-time broker for 2 years and submit a proof of transaction logs. Or D, be an active broker for 3 years. The correct answer here is D, be an active broker for 3 years. Principal broker applicants must have 3 years of experience as an active broker. Be careful here, that's the shortest answer. A lot of times, it's the longest answer. But look for the shortest, look for the longest, it'll probably be one of those. Which of the following exemplifies commingling? A, signing an agreement to act as a disclosed limited agent. B, accepting compensation directly from a client. C, depositing a buyer's earnest money into a personal account. Or D, paying a referral fee directly to another licensee. The correct answer for commingling is C, depositing a buyer's earnest money into a personal account. Commingling is a mixing of trust funds with personal funds. It's a violation of license law. If you like these questions, you can get thousands more just like them. We have an online exam prep package that you can buy to get instant access to our database of study resources like unlimited practice exams, vocabulary flashcards, and an ebook study guide that explains concepts and math formulas that you'll need to know for your Oregon real estate exam. The link is in the description and comments below. When is a promissory note used as an earnest money payable to the seller? A, promissory notes are payable at closing. B, promissory notes are payable immediately. C, promissory notes are payable to the seller upon acceptance of the offer. Or D, promissory notes are payable to the seller upon financing approval. The correct answer here is C, promissory notes are payable to the seller upon acceptance of the offer. Promissory notes used as earnest money in Oregon are generally payable when the seller accepts the buyer's offer or at another agreed upon time following the seller's acceptance. Once an offer is accepted, what must a licensee do if another offer is received on the property? A, licensee must advise the seller to cancel the current contract so they can present the new offer. B, licensee must keep the offer as a backup and present it only if the current offer is terminated. C, licensee must present the offer to the seller immediately. Or D, licensee must reject the offer on behalf of the client. The correct answer here is C. Licensee must present the offer to the seller immediately. Licensees must present all offers promptly to the seller, even if the seller has already accepted an offer. Which of the following is a duty a licensee must provide to the seller in a seller-agency relationship? A. Promptly presenting every offer received. B. Marketing the property within the demographic defined by the seller. C. Disclosing confidential information to a buyer to expedite an offer. Or D. Withholding offers that the licensee knows the seller will reject. The correct answer is A. Promptly presenting every offer received. It is a legal duty for a seller agent to present all offers immediately. Where can a licensee find an initial agency disclosure pamphlet? A. The Oregon Secretary of State website. B. The Real Estate Agency website. C. The Initial Agency Disclosure website. Or D. Licensees are required to create their own pamphlet. The correct answer is B. The Real Estate Agency website. An initial agency disclosure pamphlet is available on the Real Estate Agency website. If a licensee is marketing his personal real estate, which of the following is required of any advertisements? A. They must appear as any other listings ad. B. They must clearly state that the seller's status is a licensee. C. The title must state principal transaction. Or D. They must include a photo of the licensee. The correct answer is B. They must clearly state the seller's status as a licensee. Licensees acting as principals to transactions must disclose their license status in all advertising, stating that they're representing themselves as the buyer, the seller, or the landlord. Which of the following actions is a required duty of a principal broker? A. Approve licensee business expenses. B. Attend closings for all licensees. C. Establish work hours for licensees. Or D. Monitor licensee paperwork. The correct answer is D. Monitor licensee paperwork. Principal brokers are required to monitor the paperwork of their associated licensees. They don't set their schedule, establish work hours, or anything like that. Whose responsibility is it to supervise licensees? A. Licensed assistants. B. Licensees. C. Principal broker. Or D. Transaction coordinators. The correct answer is C. Principal broker. Principal brokers are required by law to supervise the activities of associated licensees. Remember, if a licensee does something wrong, the broker is the one that gets in trouble. Which of the following might require an adjustment to be made to a comparable or competitive when preparing a CMA? A. A busy, noisy street. B. The color of the house. C. Demographics of the residents. Or D. Interest rates. The correct answer is A. A busy, noisy street. A busy street is less desirable for a residential property and more desirable for a commercial property. Under what circumstances may a principal broker have someone else perform real estate activities under their license? A. Principal brokers are prohibited from allowing anyone to use their license to perform real estate activities. B. Any time, as long as the person performing the activities receives a fee. C. There is no issue as long as the person has a POA from the principal broker. Or D. There is no issue as long as the fees are paid directly to the principal broker. The correct answer here is A. Principal brokers are prohibited from allowing anyone to use their license to perform real estate activities. Principal brokers can't let anyone use their license in order to perform real estate activities. What address must be used when registering the business name? A, principal broker's home address, B, post office box, C, the physical address of the branch office, or D, the physical address of the main brokerage office. The correct answer, you bet, it's D, the physical address of the main brokerage office. The real estate agency requires the use of the physical address of the main office when registering a business name. As an independent contractor, a licensee, A, is paid a salary, B, is not an employee, C, is an employee, D, is paid by their client. The correct answer, B, is not an employee. An independent contractor is not an employee and cannot be paid a salary, but is paid by the job. How long does a principal broker have to review documents of agreement? A, 3 banking days, B, 3 calendar days, C, 7 banking days, or D, 7 calendar days. The correct answer here is C, 7 banking days. Principal brokers have 7 banking days to review documents of agreement. Banking days are business days when banks are open, meaning no weekends or holidays. What transaction paperwork must buyer agents retain for their records? A, only documents signed by the buyer. B, copies of all documents generated during a real estate transaction. C, closing documents, or D, receipts of transactions. The correct answer is B, copies of all documents generated during a real estate transaction. Licensees are required to keep comprehensive records of their real estate activities, including copies of all documents generated during a real estate transaction. What is the assessed value of a property used for? A, to calculate lender's value of the underlying collateral. B, it is the value used to calculate property taxes based on percentage of the market value. C, it is used to determine the real market value of a property. Or D, to assess a property's replacement value. The correct answer is B, it is the value used to calculate property taxes based on a percentage of the market value. Assessed value of the property is a percentage of the market value and is used to calculate the amount of property tax the owner will pay. What criteria must a manufactured home meet to be considered real property as opposed to personal property? A, the home must be owned free and clear and the deed recorded in the county of residence. B, the home must be recorded in the local county recorder's office. C, the owner must own both the home and the land and deed must be recorded in the county of residence. Or D, the owner places the home on land the owner owns. The correct answer is C, the owner must own both the home and the land, and the deed must be recorded in the county of residence. To qualify as real property, the owner must own both the home and the property it is on, and it must be recorded in the county recorder's office. How can citizens access private land when no right-of-way exists to the adjoining public land? A, association with a commercial business. B, county-issued permit. C, fishing, hunting, or logging license. Or D, landowner's permission. The correct answer is D, landowner's permission. Once land is owned privately, visitors must obtain the landowner's permission to access and abide by the posted rules. When the market value of a property for sale is less than the property's indebtedness, the transaction to convey the property is called A, foreclosure, B, granted release sale, C, REO transaction, or D, short sale. The correct answer here is a short sale, D. A lender must agree to a short sale because the proceeds from the sale will fall short of the amount needed to repay the seller's loan balance. And also understand, a short sale is anything but a short process. The bank is being shorted, and that's hence the name short sale. What is the purpose of a foreclosure? A, to demonstrate to the court that it's following due process. B, to provide a paper trail by which to sue the borrower. C, to punish the borrower for failure to pay what's owed. Or D, to sell the property to recover monies owed. The correct answer is D, to sell the property to recover monies owed. Mortgage loan default is one of the reasons a foreclosure may occur, but it's not the only one. Any lien holder may foreclose to recover monies owed. How can the foreclosure process be temporarily stalled? A, by filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. B, by abandoning the property. C, by paying off all the debts. Or D, by request. The correct answer is A, by filing for Chapter 7 bankruptcy. Both Chapter 7 and 11 bankruptcy filings can temporarily stall the foreclosure process. Which type of ownership includes unity of time, title, interest, possession, and marriage? A, estate and severalty. B, long-term leaseholds. C, tenancy by the entirety. Or D, tenancy in common. The correct answer here is C, tenancy by the entirety. Tenancy by the entirety is similar to joint tenancy in that it has the right of survivorship and includes unity of time, title, interest, possession, but with marriage added. If you want another free practice exam video just like this one, then you'll really like this one here. All right, everyone, that's all for today. I'll see you next time.